Hey guys, so I'm about to make some food. Um, I'm about to make some stewed chicken and some rice and peas. It's not going to be authentic. However, it's rice and peas regardless of how you look at it and twist it. So let's get started. In this pot, I have a ham hock that I had left from my previous recipe. I'm just gonna add my red kidney beans down in there. Look at this spot on my, always ruining my videos. But anyway, put this on the stove and boil it to death. You can use a slow cooker, you can use a pressure cooker. I'm just going to boil it to death. Alright y'all, so I have a couple chicken thighs down in here, and I have onions and garlic. Like I said, this is not authentic Jamaican stewed chicken. This is just stewed chicken because you're going to stew it down regardless of what you put on there. To this I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm not adding any salt to this because a few of my ingredients have salt, like the soy sauce. However, this one was low sodium soy sauce. You're going to add all-purpose seasoning, or in this case, I'm using the rotisserie chicken spice from McCormick. You also want to go down in here with some sage. I don't even have any fresh herbs in the house. This is grocery shopping week, so I'm using what I have on hand. This is ground ginger. And you gotta add some heat down in here. You could put your preferred heat. I'm using Scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce. But cayenne works here. Your favorite hot sauce works here. Totally fine. Mix this up, allow it to marinate, and then we're gonna start cooking the chicken. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna kick this rice up a notch to your your peas up a notch. I already took the meat off my ham hock bone and I chopped it up. So this is what it looks like. I chopped it up and took it off the bone and removed the bone from the pot. Then to this, you're also going to add some cilantro, a couple pieces of butter. You're also going to add 2 bay leaves. I'm not adding salt as of yet. I don't even think mine needs salt. When I tasted the broth, the meat added enough salt for me for my rice. So make sure you taste your broth before before you put the rice in. Then I'm gonna add the rice down in here. This is uncooked washed white rice. I washed it and now I'm putting it down in my pot. I'm gonna simmer this for 5 minutes until the liquid reduces, and then I'm going to put it on low and allow it to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Alright y'all, so you're just going to take your chicken and put it down in your oil. Alright you guys, so now I'm just going to cover this and allow it to make its own juice. Y'all, look at this rice. It's a tad bit overcooked, but I don't even care. Look at this rice. Alright you guys, so this is basically what you end up with after about 20 minutes on medium heat covered. And then I'm gonna add some chicken broth, chicken stock, chicken broth, maybe a half a cup. The thighs are pretty much cooked, but I wanted to add extra flavor down in here and more sauce. Just easy and simple. You don't have to add anything else. I'm not adding anything else. I just wanted a simple little lunch, so I made a simple little stewed chicken and some rice. Alright y'all, so I'm about to make my plate. Yum. Oh. You can see all that meat running through out there. Alright, so now I'm going to put my chicken down. I'm probably just going to eat 2 pieces of it. This smells so good, y'all, and it was so easy, fast, and simple. Like I said, I did what I needed to do to get through lunch quickly. The rice was not quick, but in the meantime, I was doing house errands as per usual. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like I said, it's just chicken and rice, as per usual. Nothing new here. Alright, guys, I'll catch you next time on my next video. Bye.